If you've ever laid awake at 3 in the morning doing math in your head, if you've ever avoided opening your mail, if you've ever felt ashamed, stuck, or completely overwhelmed by debt, then let me explain what From Worried to Wealthy actually is. From Worried to Wealthy is a 10-week in-person debt recovery workshop. It is not a budgeting class. It is not a motivational seminar. It is not a lecture about trying harder. It is a structured, week-by-week action program designed to move people out of financial distress and into stability on fast. This workshop was created for everyday people who are struggling, people carrying credit card balances, people living paycheck to paycheck, people behind on bills, people who've tried budgeting before and quit, people who feel embarrassed about their money situation and don't know where to start. The program walks participants through every step of financial recovery, emotional, practical, and tactical. Each week includes a video lesson, guided small group exercises, and real homework assignments, not think about it homework, action homework, make the call, switch the plan, sell the item, adjust the W-4, apply for the side hustle. The expectation is movement and measurable progress within weeks, not months or years. The structure builds on itself. Week 1 starts with the emotional foundation, confronting what debt has actually cost you beyond dollars. Week 2 performs a spending autopsy using real bank statements. Weeks 3 and 4 attack the biggest expenses first: housing, vehicles, insurance, and every other monthly bleed. Week 5 flips from defense to offense, optimizing current income and generating one-time cash. Week 6 adds side hustles where the platform already has the customer. You just show up and get paid. By week 7, participants install what I call the allowance budget, a zero-tracking, zero-app system built around one number called Freedom Money. Cash in your wallet. When it's gone, it's gone. No categories, no spreadsheets. It works because it works with human nature. Weeks 8 through 10 go deeper. Every debt strategy is covered: snowball, negotiation, settlement, hardship programs, nonprofit management plans, even bankruptcy presented without stigma. Reverse mortgages are explained clearly for older homeowners sitting on dead equity. The final week builds emergency protection, credit rebuilding, social pressure defenses, and a 30, 60, 90-day launch plan. What makes this workshop different is that it does not moralize. It acknowledges that the economic landscape has changed, wages, costs, marketing pressure, algorithmic spending triggers, and that being in debt does not mean you are stupid or lazy. It also makes a clear distinction between paying off debt and eliminating debt. The fastest path out may not always mean paying every creditor in full. The program is honest about that, and most importantly, it is built for people who hate budgeting. No daily tracking, no constant logging, no shame. The name From Worried to Wealthy isn't marketing hype. Worried is the knot in your stomach. Wealthy is not about being rich. It's about being free. Free from the stress, free from the fear, free from the constant mental noise of money problems. This workshop lives in the space between those two words. It provides the structure, the accountability, the community, and the tools to move you from one to the other.